Hi Miraan,
Hi,
what are we making today?
we are making cookies. One step is to take a big one, a big bowl.
Okay.
Step two is to put one coconut sugar.
Flour.
Flour.
Yeah.
One coconut flour.
Sure.
Where's chocolate flour? Let's put whoa, a big amount. Two step is to put one baking soda. It's just so tiny. Now it's time to mix it well. I need to get it down here.
2 and 3. Put it aside, say.
Now let's put it aside.
Okay, take it.
We've got to add sugar, so we're gonna put it now. Oh. Let's dump it. Sweep. Again, mix it well. We took another bowl, a big one.
One.
Put one egg now. Mix it. Can I mix it? What can I mix? Now is to put 1 scoop of peanut butter, but it's so hot.
Okay.
That's what I need. Let's put 1 scoop of vanilla liquid.
Then mix it.
Now let's mix it. Mix it well. It should be dripping like this.
All the wet ingredients in the
Dry.
dry one. Dry. Put it.
Ready? Now it's time to decorate it. But I won't say to decorate it.
Little pressure. Okay. Yay.
Make
Hmm.
here.
See, we have put it in the oven.
12 minutes we need to wait.
Okay.
This is the oven. What?
Is your cookies done?
Yeah, it is done. It's hot, but it's a little bit hot.
Okay. It looks so good. It's taste time.
Taste time.
How is it?
Yummy. Mama, fruit decorated.